Hi and welcome. This video will explain to you how you can easily add Google Maps to your DNN website. This is a little bit old version, it's DNN 8 as you might see, but the principle is still the same. You can add modules to a website. You can easily search for those, and we have EasyDNN Maps, and there's a pane, it's called Google Maps, and I can easily add it to that. So if we go to that pane, you can see there's quite a large title, which is a little bit annoying. So in the settings of the page, I'll just indicate that the module should not have a title. So that's better already. Now there are two things. There's the map editor and there's the API key. So since Google decided that Google Maps cannot be integrated in a website for free anymore, you need to have an API key. You can obtain one of those keys by going to cloud.google.com and get your API key if you are logged in, and here you can select a new project. I already did that, but I have to keep that API key a secret, so there is a small cut in this video. So I just added the API key, which is now stored here, and I can go to the map editor. Since this is a live site, I'm not going to use English, but the Dutch term for location is locatie. And now in order to get the marker to the correct spot, I need to have the latitude and longitude. Now most people are used to using addresses instead of coordinates, so I'm just gonna copy this address in Netherlands and go to the website letlong.net, which will allow me to convert that address to the coordinates that Google Maps will understand. So here we go. That's the latitude, and the longitude is this one. And I just saved the marker, and you can see that the map indicator is somewhere in the Netherlands. I don't like this view very much, so I'm going to skip to road map, and I'm going to zoom in a bit and click on center map, which will add the marker to the center of the map, which makes sense, of course. Now the map does not show Innova Elburg, which is cool that I like to present the address. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and here it is, Innova. So I'm fine with this zoom level 16. Now there's another option, scroll wheel zoom type is enabled by default. There's one thing that might be a little bit annoying, especially on mobile, which if you allow this, if people are scrolling on the website, and it will scroll within Google Map instead of the entire page. So for this purpose, I'm disabling that. Now there are lots and lots more options, like the width or the height, and themes and colors, and well, you can add your own markers or multiple locations. You can have people select their home address so they can drive to that destination. But for this purpose, this is already okay. So let's see how we're doing. So the map is showing the school, so I'm happy with that. There is this little bit of color on top of the Google Maps module. The reason why this is happening is that there are some icons for the web editor available. So that creates a small margin here. This will not be shown to the regular visitor. So I'm happy with this, and I'm ready to publish.